Morning class. Today we'll go on to the next exercise, and for that we have to understand mean median mode. Simple basic rules of this mean median mode. Here is the mean. In this you have some numbers. You will be having some numbers, and in that you have to use the simple method which you have done in the earlier classes also. That will be that sum of all the observation. You have to see that what is the number here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, whatever the numbers are here, you just add them all up, addition, and then the sum of all the observation will be here. Means you have to add all these numbers, and then this is the n means the total number of observation. You have to count that how many numbers are in the observation, like this 1, 2. It's not 1, I know it's 3, but this is 1 in quantity, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are total 9, so we have to write 9 down because it's total number of observation. Here will be the sum of all the numbers, and here will be the number of observations, and then you have to divide this number with the total of observation. Then you will get the answers of this. It's mean. Now we'll have that median. How we will find out the median of any data? There are the few points you have to see. That arrange the data in ascending and descending order. Mostly we are arranging the data in ascending order. So first thing is to arrange all the numbers in the ascending order. Second thing you have to do, median is the middlemost value. The number which is coming mostly in that data, that will be the median. Then third process is, let the total number of observation be n. If you will do the total of the observation, total number of the observation, it will be n. If n is odd, if you will see that n is odd, so you have to do n plus 1 upon 2. It means you will do, if the total number of observation is 13, and 13 is an odd number, so I will just add 1 in this, and then you will divide it. So it will be 14 divided by 2, and it will come 7. If n is even, so the question will be very simple. It will be n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1 term upon 2. In this you have to do what, like this is 14.14. If your total number of the observation is 14, so 14 upon 2 plus 14 upon 2 plus 1. So first you will solve this, whatever the answer will come with this, and in this you have to do addition with this, and then you will solve it, and you will get the median in that. Here is the one example of a median. You can see this. There are given some numbers here, and that is scoreboards. Means it is the kabaddi team in a series of the matches are as follows. So these are the number. First we will arrange that in the ascending order. So we have done the arrange of numbers in ascending order. Then you can see, if you will count all these numbers, so these are 16. So this I was talking about the total number of observation. These all are the observation, and these are the total number of the observation is 16. So in this you can see the 16 is even number. So we will write even number here, and upon 2 it will be divided. Then here 16 plus 1 will be there, so it's 2. 16 plus upon 2, and 16 upon 2 upon plus 1. Now here will be coming 8 answer, and there will be coming 9. Means 8th term and 9th term you have to search in this. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is, this is 8, and there is 9th term, and this is 14. So 10 plus 14 upon 2. If you will add this, so this will come 24 upon 2, and the answer is 12. The median of this data is 12. Now this is the third part of this exercise. It is mode. Mode is the value which occurs mostly frequently in the set of the observation. An observation with the maximum frequency is called the mode. This is the simplest method to do this, because in this you can see that the number which is coming mostly, that will be the only answer. You don't need to do any solution in this. You don't need to do any calculation in this. You just have to see that what is the frequency, which number is coming more frequently, then you will be having the answer. Now here you can see the example of this mode. it's here given all the numbers. First you will arrange that numbers in ascending order, so it is arranged in ascending order. Now you can see that which number is coming again and again, and mostly 2 only coming one time, 3 2 times, 4 3 times, 5 2 times, 6 3 times, 7 3 times, and 9 is the only number which is coming 4 times. It is the most frequently number is coming in the data. It's coming 4 times, so hence the mode is 9. This is the only answer for this. Now your homework is to do exercise 14.4, the first and second question. In this you can see this mean, median, mode. All three methods are coming in this, and you can do it very easily. In this you have to do all the numbers and arranging in ascending order for mean, and then you will add them, and you will see that how many numbers are there of the observation: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So that the number of the observation is 10. In mean you will add all this, and the answer of this addition will be divided by 10 because it's the frequency of that. And then you will do the second question, and it is also asking you mean, median, mode in this. So you have to do two questions from exercise 14.4 in copy. Thank you.